DIY projector. I have made this project using a torch, cardboard, thermocol sheet, transparent sheet, magnifying glass and the screen, which in this case is the furniture. Now let's see how I made this project. I am making a stand for the magnifying glass. I am also making a stand for the transparent sheet. I am putting glue over it so that I can make it double layered. Now making slits in thermocol to make a base for the transparent sheet. Now attaching it to the thermocol sheet with the help of pins. Now attaching the other stand with the help of pins. The first projector was made by Francis Jenkins in 1895. The principle of a projector is to focus light rays to create brighter and larger image. Here the light source is a torch and the image source is a transparent sheet with the image drawn on it, which is kept at or near the focal point of the lens. When the light passes through the lens, then it gets refracts towards the focal point, and the image is kept inverted because the convex lens produces an inverted image, and by keeping this inverted, the image produced on the screen is upright. Now, by manipulating the distance between the glass and the screen, we can adjust the focus and the size of the image. Now we can see that when the light is passed through the lens, an enlarged image is formed. When distance between projector and screen is decreased, image displayed on screen becomes smaller and brighter. This is because projector's light is concentrated over a smaller area, resulting in more focused and intense image. However, decreasing the distance can also lead to distortion and reduced image quality. If distance is increased, image becomes larger as projector moves farther away from screen. Light from projector spreads over larger area, causing image to cover wider space on screen. However, if distance is increased too much, image becomes fainter and loses clarity due to spreading of light over larger area.